Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable TPM on HP OMEN Transcend 14. To do it, you need to be in the BIOS, which if you don't know how to enter, there's a video on our channel on how to do it. Once that's done, go to security and you'll find security tab here. Then there's the TPM device, TPM state and clear TPM. They are all pretty important. If TPM device is set to available, then the system will see that it is available indeed, but you can set the state to off or on. If it's set to off, then the system will know that TPM device is available and it exists on your laptop, but will see it as disabled. But you can also set it to hidden, so the TPM device won't be recognized as the system, and system will think that it's non-existent. I would rather leave it on available and on, because if I disable it, there may be some problems with Windows 11, since Windows 11 requires me to have TPM state. There is also clear TPM. If you set it to yes, then after leaving BIOS, it'll clear the TPM memory. But also, it's not something that I would recommend doing unless you know what you're doing and know why and know the possible problems with that, because if you clear it, then also it may cause some issues with Windows 11 and may lock your drive with BitLocker. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.